Hello everyone, today we will be focusing on removing a node from a balanced tree, and without any further hesitation, let's get started. Now when we are removing a node from a balanced tree, we need to do the following. So we're going to keep everything that we did beforehand when it comes to inserting a node specifically in a balanced tree. The big key difference is, because we always need to check the balance consistently throughout the rest of the tree, is to do the following. So after we have done so, we need to create a min value holder to check the current node. And then we actually delete the node. So the way I'm going to go about this is have the node function, node min value, node with node in the parameter, and then node with the current node here. And while we are checking on the left hand side for the current node that we're looking for, and sending a pointer, we're just checking our placeholder right now. Cool. Wait, okay. There we go. Set in place, and now we delete the node. And we do so by the following. Node, delete node with the node at the root with respect to the key. And then if it's not the root, then we return the root as an edge case. And if the key is less than the root's data, which is root key, we'll go to the left and delete the node specifically on the root left side. It's data. And then else if the key is greater than the root key, we will go to the right side and delete the node on the respective right side key. And otherwise, what we will do is that if the root on the left is nothing right here, or the root on the right also has nothing, we're going to go down our following tree by having a temporary node, and then we're going to swap. So node temp equals root to the left, or root to the left with respect to the right. And if it's not the temp, what we will be doing is that we'll have a temporary be equal to the root, and then we'll have the root be initialized as null pointer. Otherwise, we'll have a temporary root right here and set the following values accordingly. Finally, delete the temp, and else. In this case, we'll have a node temp equal the min value node from what we're getting on the right hand side, and then we will check for the key, the data really, and we'll also check over here on the right hand side, because we're looking on the left and then the right. Delete node with root right and temporary key as well. And we're not done yet, so we also need another case where if none of the following root, we're going to return the root, and then we'll check the balance. Height, check the balance as well, and we'll do so by the following: root height equals 1 plus the max of the height with respect to the root left, and then height with respect to the root on the right. We get the balance. Since we're dealing with a balanced tree, and we can actually just take from what we have done already beforehand, except for we're going to not just return a node, but a root. So in this case, since we're putting in root, we'll do root to the left, replace the node with root, 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 and return root. There we go. Root, root. All right, so we don't have any errors there. And so what we're going to be doing is that we will now delete we will have avl root equal avl.delete node with avl root at a specific point. So we'll have 20. That means node has been removed from the tree. And then we're going to print out our updated tree as well. Just checking, and let's run this. There we go. Yes, that's what it does. It takes 20 from what we already did at the root, and it's going to place 30 at the following top at the same time. And so yes, this is how we delete a root specifically. Because we notice in particular that once we delete 20, we have 30 at the top, and typically the left-hand side contains key values that are going to be less, while the right side is going to be more typically. And so hence when we delete 20, 30 is replaced as a root, and we have done so accordingly. And so yes, this is how we remove and delete a following node as well. I will have these, so right over here, going through. We keep all the stuff that we did before, except for the differences is that we will have our, we're focusing on the root to know exactly what to replace and what to actually set up and specifically delete at the same time. So yes, this was removing a node from the tree. Now we will move over to performing an in-order traversal. Hey everyone, thank you very much for taking time to watch this. If you found this video helpful, be sure and feel free to please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions or suggestions, please put them in the comment section. And as always, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.